Hey guys, Stephanie here with Easy OC, and this is your Hot Topics for the week of October 20th, 2011. I hope you guys have been checking out all the haunted houses right now. We have a few more for you this week on October 21st, 22nd, 28th, and 29th. The creators of the famous Los Angeles Haunted Hayride is presenting a 75-minute boat ride of terror. The Ghost Ship Haunted Attraction at Newport Harbor will be 3 floors of interactive contact with the specters of patients of Psych Ward 7 floating around. The United Studios of Self-Defense will be hosting the Cemetery of Lost Souls Haunted House in Mission Viejo on October 21st, 22nd, 28th, and 29th. The family-friendly hour will kick things off at 5 p.m., where kids and the faint of heart can explore before the real scares take over at 6 p.m. Outside the haunted house, there will be live music, games, bounce house, booths, and a lot of food. Come down to the OC Great Park in Irvine. They are hosting the 3rd annual Pumpkin Harvest this Saturday, October 22nd. There will be all kinds of great harvest season activities, including a pumpkin patch, pumpkin decorating and carving, a mini hay maze, treat stations, and a petting zoo. Attention all you hockey fans out there. This Friday, October 21st, the Anaheim Ducks will take on the Dallas Stars at the Honda Center in Anaheim. However, after the game, there will be a monstrous session of zombie broomball. You have to be 21 and over to hit the ice, and we guarantee it will be one intense event. And finally, if you want to change the pace from all this hella craziness, head over to the Verizon Amphitheater this Saturday, October 22nd in Irvine for another great concert. OC Rock Act Social Distortion will be playing their Raw Punk with the Abbott Brothers, Face to Face, and Sweethead. That's it for this week. Check out our website or events calendars for more, or subscribe to our newsletter. If you have any event or business you wish to promote, sign up for listings at easyoc.com. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter to get free tickets and great deals. Until next time, keep it easy, OC.